So I've reserved some of my glaze in here into a little bag, and what I want to try in here is to see if I can get a colored drip by just using some blue. Okay, and I can see this can turn up quite nice as well. So that's how I can just change the color, and I've used the blue just because I know that my candy melt usually is yellowish and chocolate is yellowish as well. So it can be a bit of a hassle in getting blue, but if you make it white first and then you start adding the color, then it turns up like a really nice kind of color. Okay, so that's just again ready to be poured on the cake.